Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now she's fine, yeah, oh yeah, oh, she looking like she the rain. Yes, my charms, I ain't whipping yet. Do this thing, I don't know who you are. Stop, take a girl, wanna bust and I bust it down. Rest still bust down, cause I look it off. I'm a hooligan, I don't know who you are.
So in this video we're going to be reviewing the most expensive one wheel, the XR and the Pint.
It's there though, like the pop just...
no, you need that.
Oh! He needs some milk!
Here we're maxing out the boards, we're going at like the top speed. So what happens is the nose like tips up automatically to slow you down so you don't wipe out. It's a bit annoying, but I guess it's good so you don't just crash out. Alright, so I just did a maddest trick. I left these guys over here in the dirt. In the dirt, buddy. Don't try this at home.
Oh! He needs some milk!
It's gone. Hey, Wi-Fi. Alright, came in for a quick charge. So what do you rate the one wheel out of 10? 10.
All day 10.
And why a 10 though?
It's like snowboarding on concrete. That freedom on like the pathways to just glide left and right. You get speed, you get braking power, you get turning power. And then there's like tricks that you can add into that as well. It's sweet. Coming off the curbs, people just look at you like you're floating by. It's beautiful, man.
At first, when I first got it, probably a 5 out of 10. Now I'd probably give it a 7 or 8 out of 10. How about you, Charles?
I'm gonna go for an 11.
11? What?
No, if I had bottomless pockets, I'd say 11.
Okay.
But 10 out of 10. It is pricey, but if you like your board sports, it's 100% worth it all day long.
Positives is super cool. Not many people have it. I like that. It's quick. And now I've had it for like a week or so. It's actually fun.
What made it grow on me so much was just how intuitive
The board can be for you.
can be. Yeah, as silly as it sounds, it becomes like an extension of yourself. All done with your mind and your body. So
Oh yeah, eventually you stop looking down.
Yeah,
You
it
stop
just
looking at your
turns-
feet and you look forward where you're going.
fun.
True.
Your feet just follow the brain and like
And
in and
then-
out of people, in and out, up and
Yeah.
down the cut. Like
You
yeah,
can just have fun.
an extension of your own feet. Yeah.
Fun is what sold it for me.
And then switching to the negatives.
Alright, let's go. Negative.
Damn, man.
It would have been speed with this.
Too fast or too slow?
Slow, but after having used it, speed is not where
Speed is
this
not the
at.
design
No,
of it,
it's
yeah, because
not.
I think they could have got
It's-
it up to at least 30 miles
you
an hour,
want
but instead they've got it to carving, gliding,
Yeah,
like it says,
yeah.
riding glide. It's not.
It's just not ideal on just one wheel for
Yeah,
a lot of
it's
speed.
not
True.
ride and speed, it's ride
True.
and glide, it makes sense. I think for the Pint it's really range issue, but
Yeah.
apparently you can get a modified battery, so I'm going to be looking into that.
So negatives, it weighs a ton. Like when I first bought the thing, I was like, I couldn't believe how much it weighed, so I literally was ready to return it straight away. Second negative, battery life. I don't know about your Pint, but my one lasts about an hour and it's done.
Yeah.
Third, I would say speed, but like you said, it's not really built for speed. It's more like a cruising. But yeah, those are the two main things: the how heavy it is and the battery life. I don't think it's that practical for London.
So if you was giving feedback to Ride and Glide,
Yeah.
what would be that feedback? Just
make that shit lighter, man. Like make the shit lighter. Like it needs to be, because when I bought it, I thought it was gonna be like a penny board.
yeah.
Make it lighter. Battery life, of course, you got the extensions out there to extend or whatever. Just make it lighter. If it was lighter, that would be the main thing. Okay, and Pint or XR? Last question.
I mean, I've got the Pint now, so I've got to stick with it. It's the Pint all day.
Yes,
the
sir.
carbon on it is better, but the XR gives you some speed. It gives you some power. You can feel it on it. Yeah, the range on it is better. What about tips for newbies?
Tips for newbies. Geez, you got any?
Do some drills so you don't hate it straight off the bat.
Facts. I started off on grass. Did you start off on grass? I did too.
I started off in my front room.
I started off in the car park outside my house.
Yeah, okay, so it's different for
different for everyone.
Yeah, learn to dismount, bail early, bail well, and you'll be more confident riding it.
And that's another thing I hate. The braking, like how when I watch all the one wheel videos, they're just like, oh, just jump off.
Hey folks, it's Jack here with One Wheel. Remember, you can always just hop off with both feet and the board will come to a stop. Remember, you can always just hop off with both feet and the board will come to a stop.
It's like, well, when I'm going a good couple miles an hour, I can't just jump. It's a bit difficult, you know.
Oh no, that's what I say. Learning to bail and bailing early.
Once you learn how to brake, it's
how
better.
we can, for sure.
You sound getting nervous.
I'm gonna come back this way so I can get to you.
It's just
so fast.
It feels straight with a back of a bar. Trop de victoires dans ce village. Quand je te vois, je vois étoile. T'as qu'à sauter dans mes nuages. Hey, t'es censé être une fille sage. J'essaie de changer d'image. Je reconnais plus ton visage.
oh sh**! I didn't even see that tree branch.
Avec gaz dans les lights, tu verras dans ce qui passe, c'est mon gars.